Quick little tutorial on setting up a native database for Freon's Mobile for SQL Server in the new 5.2.23. This is September 2014, excuse me. So we need to set up a native SQL Server database link to database resource to link to the CityWorks server in the new release. First thing you want to do is come in here to the Freon's Mobile Startup and go to Utilities because we want to configure the PHP extension, and we want to make sure we have the SQL Server support on. Okay? And you have to have the Microsoft SQL Server client libraries loaded on this Freon server, as we say right here, right on the top here. You got to have the Freon, the CityWorks SQL Server client libraries loaded on this machine. Once I have that turned on, then I can come into this, the database resource, and I want to make a new resource. And I'm going to call it CityWorks Native, because I'm going to hook up right to the SQL Server database. Let's put this correct here. CityWorks Native. There we go. Now, once we turn on that PHP extension from Microsoft, we'll see this come up. If you don't have this come up, you know it's not there. And this works for SQL Server 2012 also. Grab it. Put in the address, URL, IP of where that CityWorks server is setting. You might need your CityWorks database admin to help you with that. Okay, what's the database name? I know for me it's CityWorks. This may be different for you. For username is as Tekka. And also and just hit connect to server, and I'm connected. One more thing, make sure you put on the allow database, update, insert, delete, and that's it. You can go check and test this is if you see this SQL native, you know you've got it. Okay, and then of course the last thing is when you come into your CityWorks existing config, we need to set that CityWorks database to our new native, CityWorks native. Okay, so we'll just hit that and save it. That's all. On the general tab under the CityWorks. And we'd have to do that for, I'll just cancel out this one, each one. Here's a test 2. We'd have to come in there and set it for that one also. So, for each configuration. That's it. Freon's Mobile for CityWorks 5.2.23, September 2014.